This is gnarly. Man. Trees down everywhere on the MST connector. Right here at Table Rock Gap Trail. Wow. What a mess. Weird. Man, it just looks like it laid most of them. I think that's to the west. Oh my gosh. Oh, look. Oh, man. It's unbelievable. Just everywhere. So a good portion of these trees, kind of wild, they fall into the category of down by the root ball. So the tree didn't break, the tree didn't give, the ground was so wet from 2 days of rain and almost 30 inches of rain that the just structure of the ground gave way when the high winds took them down, root ball and all. Now you do have some stuff up towards the ridge, top of the ridge, especially towards the top at the Devil's Hole Trailhead, and those trees are just snapped in half. So it's kind of weird to try to figure out a rhyme or reason to it, but there's a bunch of green trees down by the root ball is a lot of what you're seeing. Oh, this is a mess. I did the trail assessment in Lost Cove Wilderness area, so Lost Cove Loop, Timber Ridge, Greg Prong, Huntfish Falls. It's a couple of decent watersheds over to the north, northwest. Well, probably due north from here. And it got a ton of damage and a lot of it flooding and some patches of trees down, but man, this is probably about the amount of trees I saw down miles of sections of that trail, and it's just 2/10 of a mile. Dozens, if not dozens cross trail. Just hundreds down around the trail. There you got one that was snapped off. Sometimes when that's going on, either that tree may have been weakened, or this group of trees here that looks like they probably went down by the root ball took the top of this one out in one whack, and it didn't get a chance to come down by the root. It just snapped off by other trees. Because you got this is here and here, and you got a bunch of little trees that fell close enough to it that may have grabbed the crown. But you got one over here, this hemlock looked like it was standing dead, got snapped off. Just tons of trees down here on the road too. And the road is closed out here, so I'm walking back to the truck.